Here we're in the third installment of this exercise. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to save my map to my folder as Rondonia Forest Deforestation 3, because I should end up with 4 maps, one at the end of each one of the 4 exercises. So I do it at the beginning. That way, if I save somewhere in the middle, it doesn't save on the previous exercises map, but to a new map. Okay. Here we are. And what we're going to do today is we're going to add an image of the proposed road to the map. And so let's see, that includes to digitize the road, to symbolize and add attribute data to the proposed road, find a potential deforestation of the road, and that's it. So a lot of neat things on this one. This should be fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know it takes time, but this is really supposed to be a good, healthy project for you guys, especially in environmental science. Okay. All right, so let's get this started. Let's see, where we have the map open in ArcGIS. Let's see. We are going to, and we're getting to that part of the exercise where the authors expect that we've learned something. So give us really terse instructions. So the first one says, add the proposed road raster data set from the Judonia geodatabase and drag it below the deforested area layer. What? Oh, okay. So over here in the geoprocessing pane, we're gonna click on the catalog one. So now we're in the catalog pane. And where we're gonna go is we're going to expand databases. And then we're going to expand Rondonia. So there's Rondonia, we're gonna expand it. And then we're gonna go to proposed road. There's a proposed road. This is the proposed road raster data set from the Rondonia geodatabase and drag it below deforested area. So we're gonna, now that we have found it, we're gonna click and we're gonna drag it all the way over here into contents below deforested area, right there. Boom. And when we do that, it should appear in our map as well. Taking time. Taking a lot of time. And there it goes. Wow, that was quite a bit. Let's see, if necessary, turn off all layers except the proposed road layer. So we're gonna turn roads off. If necessary, turn off all layers except the proposed road layer in the world imagery map. So we're gonna leave this one on and we're gonna leave this one on. Everything else should be checked off. In the contents pane, right click to propose road. Right click, propose road. And click zoom to layer. zoom to layer. There it is. Let's see, the image shows a topographic view of the area with features such as natural boundaries, some existing roads, mountainous terrain, and rivers. The proposed road is a thick line in the middle of the image. Okay, there it is. Turn on the city's official roads and protected area layers. So cities, we're going to turn on cities. Boop. We're going to turn on official roads. Boop. And we're going to turn on the protected forests. Protected forests. Boom. There we go. The proposed road connects two official roads. What do the official roads look like? It's white. Okay. So this official road and this official road. The proposed road connects two official roads with cities near both endpoints of the road. You can use the identify tool to find out the names of each city, or you can temporarily turn on labels. So we should be able to go. Okay, on our next instruction set is this turn on the roads layer. So we're going to turn on the roads layer. Like so. Uh-oh, you know, I just realized I don't have my little blinky thing going on. There we go. Now it can be more annoying. Okay. And turn off the protected forest layer. Okay, there we go. On the ribbon on the map tab, okay, click bookmarks and create a bookmark called proposed road. Okay, so new bookmark, and we're going to put, again, I'm going to copy and paste because I'm a lazy scientist. Proposed road. Okay. In the catalog pane, so we're going to go back to geoprocessing, click on catalog at the bottom, right click on the Rondonia geodatabase. Okay. We're going to right click on it, click new, and it's going to be feature class. Feature class. Okay. The create feature class menu appears. Create feature class allows you to create vector data. You will base a new vector line feature on the raster image. The create feature class pane for name type planned road. So we're going to copy and paste that. Plan road. For alias type plan road without the underscore. There it is. For feature class type, expand the menu and choose line. Boop, line. Okay. At the bottom of the pane, click next. Next. The next page allows you to add fields to the data. You want to add two fields, name and status, such as you found in the roads feature class. So for fields, choose for fields, choose click here and add new field. Click here and add new field and rename the new field name. Okay. Make sure that the data type is text. It is. In the field properties, here, which is down here, in the field properties table, for length, type 50. There we go. The default length for the text field is 255 characters, but you don't need that many characters for the road information you're going to input. Specifying a shorter length makes your geodatabase smaller. Add another text field named status. So we're going to click here to add field. Okay. And we're going to say status. S-T-A-T-U-S. Make sure it's text. And we're going to set it to 20. Okay. Next, you'll choose a feature class coordinate system. A coordinate system defines position and measurement values of geographic features on a map. You'll use a coordinate system used by the layers already on your map, which you can quickly choose from the list. Click next again. So we're going to click next. On the spatial reference page under XY coordinates, right here, coordinate systems available. Let's be careful here. XY coordinates systems available. Expand the layers. Okay. So we have to scroll this to the left so we can see it. There we go. Expand the layers and choose South American Albers equal. South American Albers equal. Area conic. Yep, that's our guy. So we're going to click on it. We just chose it. Click finish. We're clicking finish. And we're actually doing, what we're doing right now is, it's called cartography. Okay, we're imposing a type of map view is what we're doing, which is very cool. From the catalog pane, we're going back to the catalog pane, drag plan road into the contents pane below roads. So plan road. Oh, there you go. From the catalog, drag plan road into the contents pane below roads. So we're going to grab this guy and we're going to drag it over here below roads. Okay. All right. Since the plan roads is a new empty feature class, nothing draws on the map. Next, you'll digitize data from the raster image and store it in the new feature class. Okay, so now we're going to digitize the road. So to add a feature to the proposed road, you'll use the image as a reference and trace the unofficial road that coincides with the road's location. Then you'll continue digitizing the road, making one long continuous feature. On the ribbon, click Edit. Edit. In the Features group, click Create. So Features, we're going to click on Create. Okay. The Create Feature pane appears. The pane lists templates for layers that are editable. The template displays available tools that can be used to construct or modify the feature. In the Create Features pane, click Planned Road. So we're going to click on Planned Road. Once selected, the options for editing the line feature expand under the Planned Road. The pointer also changes to crosshairs, allowing you to draw features. So we have all these options right here. Some of the tools are also available on the editor toolbox at the bottom of the map window. Okay, that's in down here. On the bottom of the ribbon next to the map scale, click snapping to turn it on. So next to map scale. Okay, so what you do is you go down here, the lower left part of your map, and if you hover over the first one, you see snapping. Okay, and what we need to do there. We clicked on it and now snapping is on. Okay. The snapping tool makes it easier to trace existing features, such as the existing unofficial roads that overlap with the proposed roads. We are digitizing the proposed road feature by tracing the outline shown in the raster, so this will make part of the job easier. On the editor toolbar, that's down here, click on Trace. So we're going to click on Trace. Now it says click the left end of the proposed road where it intersects with the official road. So that would be right here. So we're going to click there. Once you click the endpoint, the pointer immediately starts tracing an existing feature you hover over. This behavior is enabled by the snapping tool. So tracing an official road that overlaps with the proposed load. Tip: if you reach the edge of the map extent, hold the C key to make the pan tool active. Pan to the right and release the C to resume working. Actually, I don't like what I did, so I'm going to click on something else. Okay, so here goes nothing. I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to go around, and then up. This is terrible for me. I flunked kindergarten. I can't connect the dots, and I can't stay within the lines. And here I am doing another kindergarten thing. Oh well. What's the worst that could happen, right? We just end up with a really messed up planned road. I can't tell if this thing is working still or not. Okay. What do you think happened? Did it work? I don't know. Call me crazy, but I don't think it did anything. Okay, I'm going to try it again. No, it's really not doing anything. Okay, so this is what I'm going to try. I'm going to hold control and roll my mouse button up. I need to move my mouse, so I'm going to hit the C key so I can move this into position. And then control. Okay. Now I have my, oh yeah, I love this thing. Okay. I have snapping on. So I'm going to click on trace and line. And I'm going to double click here to start. And I'm going to start tracing. Oh, that's working very nicely now. Look at that. Okay. Moving along very nicely. Okay. Look at that. It's almost like I did pass kindergarten. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Da, da, da. We have a curve. Hypothetically, we could use this, but I'm afraid to use it. So we're just going to keep on going like this. This is fun. No, this is, well, what a sorry life I must have that I find this to be fun, huh? Okay. Okay. We keep on going. If at any time you mess up, you can always click over here and cancel and start over. But I'd rather just not mess up, you know? Okay, to move this to the left, press on C. See how the line disappears when I press on C? Make sure you press on C. And when you press on C, you can click and drag this to the left so you can keep on going. And then stop pressing on C and we go back on the road. Back on the road again. Back on the road. that a Willie Nelson song? Are you guys old enough to know who Willie Nelson is? Probably not, huh? I'm pretty old. I'm like 600 years in dog years. Okay. Look, this feels like Arizona right in the middle of the rainforest. Just a straight highway there for a while. We ran to the edge again. Remember, press the C key. Move things to the left. Okay. Let go of the C key. And keep on trucking. Keep on trucking. Keep on trucking. You know, this is a lot of work. Maybe we should just stop deforesting the Amazon. That's probably what we should do. That way we don't have to put these improvised roads in there. I bet this costs a lot of money. La 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 la. This part is supposed to be 45 minutes. I think the longest part of it is putting this darn road in here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Press the C button again. Don't look now, but we made it. Double click. Woohoo! Look at that. Is that awesome? Hit control, zoom out. C key, pan over. Yay, my road. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. Just click the proposed road bookmark. So we're going to go to bookmarks, proposed road, but I already zoomed to that point. to confirm that the road is fully digitized. And it is. It's looking party. Okay. You should have one continuous road feature. If you're satisfied with your road, you'll save your edits to the geo database. Until you save your edits in the Manage Edits tab, all your edits can be undone. Simply clicking Save on the Quick Access ribbon doesn't save the new feature. So on the ribbon, on the Edits tab, in the Manage Edits group, click Save. So we're going to go to Edits, Manage Edits, and Save. In the Save Edits window, click Yes to save all edits. Yes. Now you've digitized the planned road. You can remove the imagery layer from the map. Boop. Okay. In the contents pane, remove the proposed road layer. Proposed road layer. Click. Okay. Still. Ooh. I looked a little bit out. They're gonna need a boat or something, a tractor. I didn't notice that there was a little bit missing in there. and the clear the selected features. The ribbon, click the Map tab. Map tab. In the Navigate group, click Explore. The pointer changes back to a hand. You can now zoom in and pan. In other words, we can move it around. So I can double verify that someone's gonna need to get a tractor to move through there. I don't care anymore. Okay, the pointer changes back to a hand. You can now zoom and pan the map as normal. Okay. We're almost done. Almost done. Let's see. Symbolize and add attribute data to the proposed road. So I think, and then we have to find the potential deforestation of the road. And that's it. So almost done. Okay. It says in the contents pane, drag the planned road layer below the official roads. Boop. There it goes. Click the planned road symbol to open the symbology plane. Click the planned road symbol. Oh, I didn't see it. There it is. Okay. Click the planned road symbol to open the symbology plane. In the symbology plane, in the gallery tab, click highway. Boop. Okay. In the contents pane, right-click plan road. Right-click plan road and choose attribute table. Attribute table. In the planned road attribute table for name, type BR421. Hello. Okay, so for name, we're going to call it BR 421. And for status, we're going to call it proposed. Okay. On the ribbon on the edits tab, edits, in the manage edits group, click save to save all edits. Boom. Yes. Close the attributes table. Okay, gone. Now it says find the potential deforestation of the road. I think this is the last thing that we have to do. Okay. So in the geoprocessing pane, so we're going to go down here and click on geoprocessing. So we're in the geoprocessing pane. On the favorites tab, click buffer analysis tool. Do I feel like we've done this before? For input features, choose plan road. Boop. And make sure that the output feature class is plan road buffer. Plan road buffer, correct. For a distance type 5.5 meters, 5.5 meters. Linear unit is going to be kilometers. We must have done this before. Because there's only a single feature to buffer, this time you don't need to worry about the dissolve type. Click run. Boom. Okay. When the tool finishes, the buffer layer is added to the contents pane in the map. In the contents pane, drag the plan road buffer below the deforested area. There it goes. Turn deforested area on and compare the layers. Turn deforested area on and compare the layers. Deforested area is in this weird little color right here. And in order to really see it, we have to make it bigger. So here's a buffer. We're gonna need a tractor over here. Anyways, so this is a 5.5 meter buffer. And then this is the weird color here is the deforested area. Let's see. In the geospacing pane, search for and open erase analysis tool. So here we're gonna go here. Geoprocessing. There we go. Back, and we're going to type in erase. Okay. Analysis tool. Okay. The input features, choose planned road buffer. Planned road buffer. And for erase feature, choose deforested area. Deforested area. Okay. Name the output class erase buffer. I'm going to copy and paste. Let's see. Name the output feature class. Erased buffer. Oh, that's weird. Name the output feature class, output feature. I'm in the right place. We're going to name it erased buffer. So it's got a name on there. We're going to name it something else. We're going to name it erased buffer. Boom. There it is. And then click run. Boom. Okay. The tool runs and the layer is added to the map. So there, now it's part of the map. In the contents pane, click Plan Road Buffer twice and rename it. So we're going to go to Plan Road Buffer. We're going to click it twice and rename it At-Risk Area. Copy At-Risk Area. Then turn it off. So we're going to go OK. And then we're going to turn it off. I still can't stop laughing at that. What a ninky poo. The erase buffer layer is a single multi-part feature to find out how much of this area would have been deforested. You'll multiply the area by the percentage value you obtained earlier. This value is stored in the attributes table of the roads buffer layer. Okay. Right-click roads buffer and open attributes table. So road buffer. Ah, there it is. Ooh, it's all the way at the bottom. Right-click on roads buffer and open the attribute table. Boom. Copy the value percent deforestation and open the attribute table to the erase buffer layer. So copy the value percent deforested, Control C, and then open the attribute table for the erase buffer layer. So now we're going to go to erase buffer. So we're going to go there, right mouse button, attributes table. Click add in the add field. So there's our add. We're going to click add. For name, for name type, potential deforestation. So potential deforestation. Boom. And for data type, choose double. So data type, we're going to type double. double. For alias, type potential deforestation in square kilometers. So where's our alias? Right here. We're going to put potential deforestation in square kilometers, and then we're going to click save. Okay. Okay, so once we've done all that, we're going to click on save up here. Close the fields tab. We're going to close the fields tab. Yes. We're going to save it. Okay. And right click the potential deforestation square miles field header. So potential deforestation. Okay. Right click it. We're going to right click it. And then we're going to choose calculate field. Okay. So to find the rose deforestation potential, you'll multiply the field area by the percentage of the deforested area that you found earlier. You'll also convert the area currently in square meters to square kilometers, a unit more appropriate for the vast area you're describing. So in the calculations field pane, so the calculation field pane, for potential deforestation, okay, create an expression. So we're going to go shape area, double click to get it, divided by, we're going to divide by 1,000,000 to make it turn to square kilometers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This part of the expression converts the buffered area in square meters to square kilometers. Next, you'll multiply by the percent of the deforested area calculated earlier. So add parentheses around that statement, then multiply and paste the number copied from rows buffer. So what we're going to do is we're going to put parentheses around this. Boop. Boop. And then we're going to multiply by parentheses the number we got earlier. Wrong one. Okay, so if you're like me and you use copy and paste all the time, and you got rid of the number that you're supposed to be saving, what you have to do is remember that that number came from, let me see, the road buffers attribute table. So what you do is you go to Oh, I always have trouble with that roads buffer thing because it's so far down. Anyways, here it is, roads buffer, right mouse button, open the attributes table, and there's that number right there, okay? That's what we want. So we're gonna grab that number, Control C to copy, and then we'll go over here, and we're going to do what? We're going to do something. Bear with me. There we go. We're gonna put it right here. Control V to paste. And then we're gonna divide that. We're going to divide that by 100. We're going to divide that by 100. We're going to close the parentheses. And with a little bit of luck, we're going to click run, and this is going to work. Run. And we have to click on, we have to remember we brought up roads buffer, right? We didn't need it, but we if you forgot that number, we brought it up, so we have to get out of that, go back to the erase buffer, and there's our answer. The potential deforestation in square kilometers is 646 square kilometers. That is a lot, which is kind of the point. Okay, so believe it or not, that's the end of this. We're going to close the attributes table. Boom. I'm going to go to my bookmark, go back to my proposed road so it looks pretty like that. And I'm going to save it. And believe it or not, that's the end of this section. That felt long, didn't it? That was a lot of work. Okay, we're almost done. And with that, we're out of here. Let's see if I can end this. Thank you. Bye-bye.